ang dami ng flights, no? It's already more than 2 million passengers per year, but we need to develop it quickly, no? So we assured the mayor and the governor that DOTR will fast track the current PPP proposal from the Villar Group in order to ensure the sustainable development and growth of the airport to support the growth of the city.
Maliban sa Iloilo, susunod na isa sa pribado ang ilan pang mga paliparan sa bansa.
Ang mga critical natin, no? So Iloilo is the priority right now, no? Siyang pinaka-advance. We're also looking at Davao. We are also looking at other tourist destinations, major tourist destinations like Siargao, airports like Dumaguete, Bacolod. So lahat yan, no? So the instructions of our president is we really need to privatize.